beyond that, what you had mentioned about 3 weeks of program or whatever,
Yeah.
is this be a thing to talk to you later, or would it be something you want to tell us?
I'd love to share that at the 1st of April, I'll be doing a 3-week certification class in online teaching and learning. And I'd love to have some people participate in that pilot. And this is really going to be just a point-click type sort of class. So we're talking about all these different technologies, but this class is just going to focus on really best practices in facilitating student learning. So I'd love for you to join and email me if you can. Yay! And I'm going to probably limit it to like 13 people this time.
And how is it going to start on?
It's going to start the 1st of April. 3 weeks. Online, asynchronous. So online, anytime you can do it for 3 weeks. There will be due dates within a week, each week, but it's, it's still pretty much when you can do it.
What level of expertise does one need?
Just point-click type. This is for developing online teaching and learning skill, not the GWIS technology stuff that we're working on right now.
And it starts April 1st, which happens to be in spring break.
I won't start at spring break. I say the 1st of April is a general date. So if you're interested, email me, and then I'll send you the actual start date. But, would it be good to start it the week of spring break, do you think? No. Okay, got it. Nicole, I will repeat the Second Life, and actually I'm going to do a Just Second Life workshop because I'm hooked. I'm having too much fun in Second Life. I love it. And so I'm ready to actually give a Second Life workshop in Second Life. That's where I am with this. So we are going to, I'm going to create a Second Life workshop.
Thank you. Please count me in for both things.
Okay, is that Nicole?
That's Melissa.
Melissa, yay, okay. Will do. Shoot me an email, though, Melissa, because my memory is not the best.
I will.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
The 3 weeks, will it be related to Blackboard 9?
Yes. It is in Blackboard 9.
Okay, so is that kind of, are there other classes? So say if that didn't work out for you, are there going to be other things coming up so that you can make the transition to Blackboard 9?
Yes. Erica Scherter is actually, I think she sent out an email this week that she's planning a lot of workshops on Blackboard 9.
Okay.
The online certification course is going to focus mostly just on navigation, just so that you can get into Blackboard, you're comfortable moving around in Blackboard, posting, but then mostly it's going to focus on the pedagogical skills of facilitating online conversation, creating units of study online, managing your time, things like that.
Do you have an approximation of how many hours of is required?
I'd say 5 to 8 hours a week. That's what I'm creating it only to require about 5 to 8 hours a week, but to get the most impact out of those hours.
Do you think you might, so you'll be running it then?
Oh, yeah.
This is probably, I would love to do this, but I'm thinking April is helpful with possibly.
Yeah, because everything's kind of coming. I plan to do it once a month. That's my plan.
You might do it starting in May.
Yeah.
That
Mhm.
would be much better. I think
Yeah.
probably would be May.
Yeah.
Should I email you and say I'm in for May?
Yeah, do, because I am going to limit the class sizes. I can't handle more than, 12 to 15 people. So, what will be the requirements for online classes for UM? Right now, there are guidelines, and the guidelines, Nicole, are the Quality Matters standards, and that is available at qualitymatters.org. And I can also send that to you if you'd like for me to. but it's really general, and it's, it's just like any other guideline for, or standards for online teaching and learning. It's based on best practices, and there's nothing really out there in them. Okay. Well, thank you all so much for attending, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday, and hopefully we'll be all here on Monday and not snowed in our igloos. So, you know what? We're doing this on Limbo. So it doesn't even matter if we're snowed in. We can still do it. So, okay. But thank you so much for coming. I hope you all have a great weekend.
Lee, I just want to say thank you very much. This is Melissa again. And about the course that you're talking about, I've worked on Blackboard for over 10 years. I've done synchronous and asynchronous chats. I've used it in addition to lecture. But you'll be teaching more than that, kind of advancing that so I can be better, right?
This class will actually focus more on just facilitation skills and unit building skills, but I plan on having an advanced certification for people who are already doing a lot of Blackboard and don't want just, who want to move forward. Really, facilitation skills are the same regardless of the technology that you use. So there are just some key elements. So, Melissa, it might be, I'm not sure. Let me send you an outline of what's going to be in this course, and you can make the decision of whether you'd like to be in it or not.
Okay, thank you. I'm sure I can learn. I mean, I can always learn more. So let me look and see. It might be later I can do more.
And then another thing is just being sure that that we can share our expertise with each other. And that's another reason we're doing this class online, is to begin to create this group of experts here on campus who are connected to each other, can interact with each other and support each other. So that's going to be an outcome as well.
Well, that'll be great, because like I say, I need others' ideas. I am not creative. I can do the basics.
I bet you're like me. I bet you're creative when you have time to be creative. Nobody has time to be creative anymore.
Nope.
Well, thank you all for coming, and have a great weekend.
You
thank
too,
you,
and
Nicole.
quit talking about snow. We think it's not going to snow.
I am not going to talk it into being. Thank you all. Well, I was reading on WeatherBug. They were saying 8 inches. It was like, no, it's 60 degrees outside.
What is your email address?
It is grahamlee@unkc.edu.